Cebu City BOPK Councilor Jerry Guardo mibalina sa iyang suporta ngadto kang Mayor-elect Edgardo Labella. Yan ang report. Gianunsyo ni Konsehal Jerry Guardo ang iyang pagbali sa suporta ngadto kang Mayor-elect Edgardo Labella.
I feel that now is the right time to heal broken wounds and unite for the good of Cebu City. I hereby announce my support for Mayor-elect Edgardo Labella as I am heeding his call for an inclusive kind of governance. I am simply being consistent with my stand because I have always believed that in order for us to truly develop and progress as a city, it is imperative that we support the incumbent mayor's direction and vision. History would show that during the term of former Mayor Mike Rama, I supported him. Same support I give to Mayor Osmeña during his incumbency so that he can implement his plans and programs for the city.
Si Guardo, kutob na lang karong Hunyo 30. Bilansad siya pagkakonsehal sa North District sa nakalabang eleksyon apan anaara siya sa ikasiyam nga pwesto. Sa pangutana kung gikonsulta ba niya ang grupo sa BOPK diin siya nahasakop, labi na ni outgoing Mayor Tomas Osmeña.
During casual na mga gathering, ang iyang advice na mo was to make decision whatever is for the good of the city, yung make decision of what is for the good of the city.
Wa pa kakuha og reaksyon ang BOPK diin nahisakop si Guardo ug ang habig usab sa PDP laban ni incoming Mayor Labella. Kauban si John Solon, ako si Alan Domingo, Balitang Bisdak.